Alright guys, hope you are having a good day. We're going to look at the H3 explanation. This was the answers to page 514, 22 through 42 even. Once again, I'm going to leave this up here. You can pause your video and then see how you did. And then I'll follow that up with all the explanations for these problems. Friday, the homework... Today's homework is actually going to be iReady, so please log 30 minutes in iReady, and then we'll be back with more lessons on Monday. Alright, so if we start with 22, we've got the square root of 7/9, and if we split that, this is going to give us square root of 7, and the square root of 9 is 3. And that's as far as you can take that one. Root 7 over 3. Number 24. Number 24 is going to be 2 times, and we're going to split it into root 5 over root 4. Root 5, you can't simplify that. Root 4 is going to be 2, so this is going to be 2 times root 5 over 2. I'm going to turn this into a fraction, and then you can see that we can cancel those. So our answer is just root 5. 24. Now we go to 26. 26 is 2 times root 10 over 2. We're going to split it, so that's going to be 2 times root 10 over root 2. Now on this one, we can take that numerator and we can split that into root 2 times root 5. And that would allow us to cancel these root 2's. And so we do 2 times root 5 to get 2 root 5. And that's how you would do that one. On 28, I would split. So now I have 8 times root 13 over root 9. And the square root of 9 is going to be 3, so this is going to be 8 times root 13 over 3. And when we go and multiply that across, if we make that a fraction, we're just going to end up with 8 root 13 over 3. And nothing can be simplified. So that's 28. Number 30, 4 times, and I'm going to split this into root 16 over root 4. And we would have 4 times, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 4 is 2. If we make this a fraction, we can do some cross-canceling. We're going to get 8. There's another way that you could do that. You could divide 16 divided by 4 before you start, and that would be the square root of 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 4 times 2 is going to give you 8. So either way, we should end up with 8 for 30. So in 32, you could do 6 divided by 2 right away. So let's do it that way. If you did 6 divided by 2, that would be 5 root 3. And then that would be simplified right there. That would be the fastest way. If you split it, then you could do 5 times, and then root 6 you could split into root 2 times root 3. And then you could cancel the root 2 from the numerator and the denominator, and you'd get 5 root 3. So either way, for 32, we should get 5 root 3. So it looks like on 34, we've got the square root of 32. We could split that into root 16 times root 2 over root 25. Well, square root of 16 is 4. So I got 4 root 2 over 5. And that's all the simplifying we can do. 36 is the square root of 49 over square root of 4. Now these are perfect squares. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 4 is 2. 7 halves. 38. Root 9 over root 49. Once again, these are perfect squares. Square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 49 is 7. 3/7. 40 is going to be root 64 over root 16. Well, once again, perfect squares. So square root of 64 is 8. Square root of 16 is 4. And then this could simplify into 2. 42, we've got 1/2 times root 32 times root 2. What I think I should do is I'm going to multiply these. This is one way you can do it. 32 times 2 gives me 1/2 times root 64. Square root of 64 is 8. 1/2 of 8 is positive 4. Let's do that a different way. Let's see if we can simplify this. Square root of 32, you could do square root of 16, square root of 2, square root of 2 times 1/2. Square root of 16 is 4, so you'd have 1/2 times 4. Root 2 times root 2. Root 2 times root 2 is going to be root 4, so that's 1/2 times 4 root 4. Square root of 4 is 2. 1/2 times 4 times 2. 1/2 of 4 is 2. 2 times 2 equals 4. So just another way to do that one. And that completes the homework. There is no lesson. Just would like you to do iReady, 30 minutes of iReady. And that is your homework assignment. We'll be back on Monday with more lessons.